So thank you guys for coming and hearing what my suggestions are. It's really nice to know that my belief that we can change our lives by manipulating our environments. Right? This is what feng shui is about. Feng shui is about making sure that you mindfully, consciously, intelligently figure out how to interact with your space for optimum health, happiness, clarity. Honestly, great feng shui is great interior design. It's great architecture. It's all the same thing. We just use different language in regards to it. And we also talk in the Eastern world, and in feng shui, we talk a lot more about the invisible stuff, because gosh knows, in the Western world, we don't want to really believe that there is any, stuff that's out there that you can't see. But we all know that there's a lot of stuff that you can't see, like friendship and love and electricity and that technology that's beaming at me right now that is invisible, but is doing something, right? So there's an awful lot of invisible stuff that we have the power to change. And changing our space changes our life. And I'm really happy to help people do that. I'm really honored by being able to do this for people because it's so much fun.